Oatmeal is not just a breakfast food. It's a nutritional powerhouse that has been underestimated for far too long. When you eat oatmeal the right way, it can help you reverse the signs of aging. Whether you are 50 or 70, even better, it can prevent diseases that affect millions of Americans. Most people think of oatmeal as just a basic breakfast food, quick, warm, and comforting. But what if I told you that oatmeal, when eaten the right way, could become one of the most powerful natural tools to fight aging? Yes, it's true. Oatmeal isn't just filling, it's healing, especially when prepared properly. It can help address some of the most common and hidden health problems that appear after age 50, or even earlier. Let's take a moment to think about what happens as we age. Our bodies naturally slow down. Our metabolism isn't what it used to be. We may start experiencing things like high blood pressure, joint stiffness, digestive issues, brain fog, or high cholesterol. These aren't just nuisances. Left unchecked, they can develop into more serious conditions. And here's where oatmeal steps in, not just as a meal, but as a medicine in your kitchen. Now, we're not talking about sugary instant oatmeal packs filled with artificial flavors. We're talking about real oats, rolled oats, steel-cut oats, or even oat groats. Whole, unprocessed oats that you cook slowly and combine with the right ingredients. When you eat oatmeal just a few times a week, prepared this way, it can support your heart, brain, digestion, energy, skin, and more. It's gentle on the stomach, high in soluble fiber, and helps regulate blood sugar, all incredibly important, especially after middle age. So what exactly makes oatmeal so powerful? First, fiber. 1 cup of cooked oats gives you about 4 grams of fiber, including a special kind called beta-glucans. Beta-glucans form a gel in your gut that binds with cholesterol and helps remove it from your body. That's why oatmeal is famous for lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol. But beyond cholesterol, fiber supports digestion. If you struggle with constipation, irregularity, or bloating, especially as you've aged, oatmeal can be a game changer. It keeps things moving, naturally and gently. Now let's talk about blood sugar. After 50, many people start experiencing glucose spikes, even if they're not diabetic. Oatmeal, especially when paired with healthy fats and proteins, helps slow sugar absorption. This means fewer crashes, steadier energy, and reduced risk of insulin resistance. And did you know oatmeal also contains antioxidants like avenothramides? These unique plant compounds help reduce inflammation, something that drives nearly every chronic disease, from arthritis to Alzheimer's. So how do you eat oatmeal the right way? Here's where most people go wrong. They dump sugar on it or add flavored creamers or fruit syrups. These add calories and cancel out the benefits. Instead, here's what to do. Start with whole oats. Avoid instant. Cook them with water or unsweetened plant-based milk like almond or oat milk. Then add cinnamon, a natural blood sugar regulator. Add a handful of berries like blueberries or raspberries, full of antioxidants. Add crushed walnuts or chia seeds for healthy fats and protein. This combination turns your oatmeal into a complete meal, one that fuels your body and protects your health. Let's go over 10 specific health problems oatmeal can help with, and how it works. High cholesterol. The soluble fiber in oats binds to cholesterol and lowers it naturally. Digestive issues. Oats improve gut movement and feed good bacteria in your gut microbiome. High blood pressure. The potassium and magnesium in oats help relax blood vessels. Weight gain. Oatmeal keeps you full longer, reducing the urge to snack. Brain fog. The slow-release carbs in oats give your brain steady energy. Fatigue. Oats are rich in B vitamins and iron, which support energy production. Joint stiffness. Anti-inflammatory compounds in oats help reduce swelling and stiffness. Blood sugar spikes. Oats stabilize glucose levels and reduce insulin resistance. Skin irritation. Oats contain avenothramides, which soothe skin from the inside out. Mood swings. The fiber and minerals in oats support gut-brain health, which affects mood regulation. And the best part? Oatmeal is affordable, easy to prepare, and accessible. You don't need fancy superfoods. You don't need to buy expensive supplements. You just need the right kind of oats and a few powerful ingredients to go with it. For seniors and adults alike, Adding oatmeal into your weekly meal plan is one of the simplest, most effective habits you can start today. It's a small step, but it supports a longer, healthier life. So next time you're thinking about breakfast, skip the processed cereal. Instead, treat your body to a bowl of healing oats made the right way. Your heart, brain, and body will thank you. Let's dive deeper into each of these 10 health benefits. Number 1. Cholesterol control. Oats contain a type of fiber called beta-glucans, which have been proven to lower cholesterol levels. This is especially important after 50, when many people start developing high cholesterol. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can help reduce your bad cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. Known to digestion support. As we age, our digestive systems can slow down, leading to discomfort and bloating. Oats, with their high fiber content, help keep things moving smoothly and prevent constipation. Plus, oats contain a special type of fiber called beta-glucans, which act as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A happy gut means a happy body. No. 3. Blood sugar balance. After 50, our bodies may not respond to sugar as well as they used to, leading to insulin resistance and high blood sugar. Oats are a complex carbohydrate, meaning they break down slowly and help regulate your blood sugar levels. This keeps you feeling full and energized without the sugar crash. No. 4. Weight management. Let's face it, we all love to snack, but those extra calories can add up. Oats are a great way to stay full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack mindlessly. Plus, oats help stabilize your blood sugar levels, which reduces cravings for sugary foods. No. 5. Energy boost. Feeling sluggish is not fun, especially as we get older. Oats are packed with B vitamins and iron, which play a key role in energy production. Start your day with oats and feel the difference. No. 6. Joint health. Joint pain and stiffness can make everyday activities a challenge. Fortunately, oats contain anti-inflammatory compounds like erythromycins, which can help reduce joint swelling and stiffness. Say goodbye to aches and pains and hello to an active lifestyle. No. 7. Blood pressure control. High blood pressure can put a strain on your heart and vessels. Oats are rich in potassium, which helps relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Start incorporating oats into your diet for a healthier heart. No. 8. Skin health. Glowing skin is a sign of good health, and oats can help you achieve it. Oats contain antioxidant compounds called erythromycins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and soothe skin irritation. No. 9. Mood enhancement. Our mood can significantly impact our overall health and well-being. Oats contain essential nutrients like fiber and B vitamins, which support a healthy gut-brain connection and help improve mood. Say goodbye to those pesky mid-afternoon slumps. And number 10, accessibility and affordability. The best health benefits often come from simple, unprocessed foods, and oats are no exception. They're incredibly affordable, easy to prepare, and a versatile ingredient. Whether you prefer it as oatmeal, overnight oats, or baked oatmeal, the possibilities are endless. Let's look at some delicious ways to prepare oats for maximum health benefits. 1. Classic oatmeal. Cook steel-cut or rolled oats with water or milk. Add cinnamon, berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for extra flavor and nutrients. 2. Overnight oats. Combine oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits in a jar. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight for a creamy, delicious breakfast. 3. Baked oatmeal. Bake a batch of oatmeal with fruit, nuts, and spices for a comforting dessert or breakfast. This can be made ahead and reheated throughout the week. 4. Savory oats. Add herbs, spices, and vegetables like mushrooms, spinach, and tomatoes for a savory twist on traditional oatmeal. 5. Gluten-free oats. If you have gluten sensitivity, opt for certified gluten-free oats to enjoy all the benefits of oats without the gluten. In conclusion, oatmeal is a true nutritional powerhouse. Incorporating oats into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, from improving heart health to supporting healthy skin. As we age, it's essential to prioritize our nutrition and make choices that support our overall well-being. So why not start with a simple, affordable, and delicious option like oats? Give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your health and quality of life. Now that you know about the amazing benefits of oatmeal, it's time to give it a try. Start by adding a bowl of oatmeal to your weekly meal plan and experience the difference it can make in your health and well-being. Don't wait. Start reaping the rewards of this nutritious grain today.